Thought it was time we talked. You don't want to do that.
I've done your job for you. I've broken the back of the infection.
In a few hours, this whole place will be glass.
Even Randall's not crazy enough to nuke Manhattan.
You're wrong. He was at Hope in '69. He'll do anything to stop the infection. If you help me stop him, you get your secret.
There's no way to get to that ship without being blown out of the sky.
I have a way. Randall wants a colonel named Taggart. He sent me to find him. He's our key onto the Reagan. Taggart's massing a large force of helicopters at these locations. If we don't move now, he'll muscle his way out of Manhattan in a fleet of helicopters, and Randall might not be able to stop him. Mercer, take out the helicopters. I'll try and pin down Taggart's location, and don't let any of them get out of the city. Taggart could be on any one of them.
Why does it seem like I'm getting the short end of this deal? Well, Taggart has access to the helicopters. He can get out anytime he wants. I can fix that. Taggart's aircraft are somewhere near here.
Contact all points. Red Crown, we are in active orbit. Relaying visual. We are clear of the red zone.
Taggart has access to the helicopters. He can get out anytime he wants. I can fix that. Target's aircraft are somewhere near here.
Scramble all crews. We need to get these birds in the air, now.
Nothing left.
Sustained heavy damage. Systems failing. Chalk 3 to Red Crowd. Subject temporarily eluded us. Trying to relocate.
Everyone has to die.
Target has gone dark, command, over. Echo 1, Alpha has lost the target, over. Chalk 3 to Red Crown, cold as ice. No visual of Zeus here, over. He's here! Jet wings in the air! All pilots wind up and take off! Flight leader, get those birds in the air, now! Zeus has been sighted! Clear the landing areas! Target, over. Chalk 3 has lost visual. You want us to sweep? Chalk 3, ready. Flight leader, get those birds in the air, now! Zeus has been sighted! Clear the landing areas! Target, over. Chalk 3 has lost visual. You want us to sweep? Chalk 3, Red Crown. Hostile has gone dark. Over. I got him. Wait. Nope. Negative. Negative.
No aircraft, no personnel, no survivors.
Mayday! He's here!
He's here. Get our wings off the ground. Clear, clear.
HQ, this is Ghost 3675. We are clear of the red zone. Squadron leader, we are in the air.
Damn you, Taggart. Damn you for making me do this. Hope was a Blackwatch project. The goal of the experiment was to create a viral weapon that could be used to target specific racial types. But Hope went wrong. A mutated virus infected all of those people. Drove them mad. Their bodies crawled with hell. And at the center of it all was Elizabeth Green. Now, somehow she survived. Endured the virus, absorbed it, changed it, whatever. Her unique biology inspired this new bioweapons research program. This became Gentech. And Alex Mercer worked for them. There was one leak too many and Randall stepped in to shut it down. No one was safe. Mercer fled the scene with a sample of the virus, took it as insurance if he needed it. Blackwatch cornered him at Penn Station. With his back to the wall, he unleashed the virus on Manhattan. What Mercer did is beyond forgiveness. But there is no Alex Mercer anymore. The virus didn't just kill him, it became him. Copied his body down to the genetic level. It became me. I am the virus. And I, in turn, released Elizabeth Green to infect the city a second time. Now she's dead. All right, but Randall won't accept that the virus can be stopped. And with Firebreak, he'll level the city. Just like Hope. But now, Hope has one final riddle to give up. Green was pregnant when they found her in '69. What happened to that child?
I suppose your answer is out there on the Reagan?
All I know is I'll get my answer from Randall.